Hi. So we are at Mokolodi. So one of my subscribers, I can't remember your name. Hi, bro. Asked me to come here, but unfortunately we came late. This is like 4:30, and they said that we can't view the animals by this time. Did I even ask you to come with me? I didn't ask you to come with me. You can go. So they said we can't view animals by this. Like we literally cannot do anything by this time. That we came late. Even though my husband has asked me to calm down, that we'll come back tomorrow, but I don't think I'll come back here tomorrow. Okay, so let me just show you guys around, show you guys what this place is looking like. In case you have not been here before, let me just give you some views. Okay, nothing is happening. We came late. You cannot come and die. Animals closed, everything closed. Enjoy the view. The kids are just playing. Yeah, catcha. Right there on top of the moon, we can sit and do nothing. Tell them to be careful. Be careful. How far with this place, Amy? Can't you? Nature. I think this is where the animals are. I can't go beyond this place. Yeah, they even gave a warning there. Offsite, security camera monitoring, and again. So this is what this place is looking like. Wow, this place is so cute. Yeah. Can you guys see? That boy that calling us. They didn't even come and take me pictures here. This is so cute. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here now? Alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait. Not scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait. So guys, I've been taking pictures and I kukuma saw some crazy girls like me. Hey, we finished ourselves with pictures today. Yeah, let me go and meet my husband, my children, so that we can start going. Okay, I think I've shown you guys enough. Not really enough. At least I've seen what Mokolodi Nature Reserve looks like. I get it. Yeah. So
I was telling you to be careful, isn't
what if lion has eaten me? You guys will not even say, okay, let me go and check if she's still alive. You guys are bad.
30 more minutes.
No, can I have stayed up to 40, 50 minutes? Even me, I'm tired. I was like, why is Joyce not coming to check?
It was because when I asked Austin, where's your mom? She's like, oh no, she's taking pictures. I was like, okay, she's been
oh my God, no, I'm tired. I've been taking pictures. Oh my goodness. You guys bought drinks?
Yes.
Are you sure it's on ma? You ain't go out for boom today.
Which color did I give you?
Honey, you didn't buy anything for me.
I don't know what you want.
I went down there, down.
But you were not scared.
I was scared, like very lonely place.
They leave the lions out during the evening time to move around.
And they even gave a sign there, like they said, security out of sight, so that you are going there on your own.
And you went.
You didn't even care, you. You didn't even care. At least you would have come close and call my name and scream my name and see. Eh?
You were just walking.
You need to see how lonely that place.
And you were not scared. You are lucky. Do you know you are lucky? Yeah, very,
Somebody
very
took
lucky.
it from her.
We were just going to see a leopard.
Well, go and
Maybe
ride.
when you go there, you only see
Ride,
these
then you see some
clothes. I'll be gone.
We say, Auntie, where are you? We just see the
See
camera.
clothes and blood and my phone. Hey.
What do you want? What are you drinking? Mokolodi.
Apart from juice and fizzy.
What's that when wine and a bottle?
Odon now standing here can
I want
Mogi.
mango break. I'm going to
Can I go no bush and meat to go?
Oh,
Where?
bull and bull.
Oh,
Not fish and meat.
bull. Bull and bush. Okay, let's go there. Let me go and eat ribs. Pork ribs because mama, I don't have strength to drink anything. I don't want to drink anything.
When you finish, then you go.
When are we finishing now?
So you don't know this thing is the game you wanted to watch. This is our play for you. It's not that 2
What?
to 3 hours.
Chineke na. Chineke oh. You guys, I just screamed because my husband was just gisting me that this vehicle, like this car that just entered that you guys are seeing right now, was actually the car that took people to the game reserve, whatever. Like this place you guys are seeing now, like this place these kids are playing, it's just a reception, a big restaurant area, okay? Like the main place I came, like I had the mind when I came here. My husband said I have to drive 3 hours, like it's a game drive, and the hour is like 3+ hours before I could get where I would view the animals. Are you serious? Hey, I did not know. I was thinking it's just this place that I showed you guys. No, it's actually very, very far from here. Like, are you serious? Okay, now. And the price is actually 245 pula for adults. Hey, that is like 10,000 naira. Hey, to go and see animals. Anyway, it's not bad. It's not bad. Sometimes you have to bring out that money and go and talk. Look around, okay? And keys are 120. That is 12 and under. Then I think below 5 years or so is free. Yeah. Anyways, I think on my birthday I'll have to come back and view the animals. For now, enjoy the rest of the vlog.
It's nice. It looks good.
Okay, now we have to say hi to the sunset. Yeah, so in case you don't know, I did not properly introduce this place. This Mokolodi is actually where you can view all kind of wild, like all kind of wild animals, snake, lions, tiger, everything. Like think of any wild animals. Yeah, you guys come, some animals are here. Can you guys see this? They are called what? Okay, yes, the fastest animal. Is it no?
The fastest is cheetah.
Okay, yeah. The one they used to sing. As a deep planted for the water so much, so long as after.
You see, this is when
They are dear. Well, at least I've seen one animal. I've
they
seen
were going to
some.
release the lion.
Can they come already? Can the lions come already first?
Eh?
No, they are
can't
not antelopes.
They can't release them
Now.
with the same time with this ones because the lions will eat them.
So later now they will take these ones back.
What is this?
These are deers.
Cantaloupe.
They look the same. They're similar.
Okay. Okay, cantaloupe is like a bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger.
At least I've seen. No animal I've seen. Enyimbia. Every time of the day.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.
You are lucky.
Why you saw me fall?
I think it's hard how we always wait another day.
Guys, hello side naga. Outside down here come chere gi. Honey. Akwe hola gi Come and go to heaven. Let me
Oh,
see.
yeah, guys. How you think about the guy in purple?
Yes, Yamari. So guys, it was a cool evening. Like when we came here, I didn't expect to have this fun. Like I didn't expect I would have fun. I didn't snap pictures here. This Mamanga local swimming pool. I didn't expect to have fun as much as I did, but oh my god, I had fun. Like this is like to 7 p.m. We had fun. Yeah, so maybe when we come next time we'll explore more, but for today we had fun, like mad fun, and I took so lovely pictures. Yeah, we are going to use the restroom. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Next time I will explore more, okay? But at least I've come here, I've seen what it looks like. I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye. Jesus, what if someone is here?
2,000 years later.
We made a stop at Massa Center. We initially went to Bull and Bush, but they didn't open today. Today is actually New Year. Yeah, 1st January. They didn't open. So my husband brought us at Massa. Yeah, we are here to eat ribs. See, these days the ribs are my best friend. Oh, ribs, like give me ribs. You have done everything for me, okay? Like, hey, yeah. So we are here to chopping ribs. I remember when Austin was 1 year old, we took some pictures here. Yeah, I remember vividly. Let me show you guys around, okay? Massa. See my people, don't they go? Not ever. This place is so cute though. Oh, copyright. So guys, this is where we are. In this Massa Center, they have so many hotels inside this mall. Yeah, we are at Capello Food Passion People, yeah. Okay.